I have my face rollers, which are super fun, but also a little awkward to travel with because every single time I go through like X-ray, the TSA check, they see this shape and I get a lot of Snickers. This one is by Nurse Jamie, my favorite for any of your skin needs. You just roll it in an upward motion on your face, on your cheek line, and it just produces collagen and tightens up and firms that little section of your face and wherever you roll it. You can even roll your body out with it too, which is great for lymphatic draining. Also just feels really cool, so I like this one a lot. But my actual super favorite product is this one that's also by Nurse Jamie. It's her little eye tool. It vibrates and you just hold it on the eyebrow line like that. Basically like a little mini like facelift. So you can do for a couple minutes on each eye. But as you can see how much like tighter it looks on like this side and lifted and like pulled back. I use this in the morning before like a photo shoot or when I'm traveling or whatever. I always use this and the face rollers. I love them. This is my, as well, Nurse Jamie lip balm. The thing about lip balm is that most of them, people don't know, have ingredients that actually dry out your lip. So the more you use it, the drier they get. You have to make sure there's no petroleum in your lip balm because that will actually dry you out. This is hyaluronic acid, which is a hydrating acid and petroleum free, so that's great. If my lips are all dry, right now they're okay, but I just kind of like take off all the dry skin with that. And then the lip balm, this is seriously like the best lip balm I've ever tried. So I always keep that in there too.